The present simple tense is a fundamental aspect of English grammar, used to describe actions or states that are habitual, regular, or timeless. In graphic design, the present simple tense plays a crucial role in creating visual elements that effectively communicate a message to the audience. This tutorial will discuss how the present simple tense is used in graphic design to design various visual elements, with the help of illustrative examples. One common way the present simple tense is used in graphic design is through the use of simple shapes and lines to create visually appealing compositions. For example, graphic designers often use geometric shapes like squares, circles, and triangles to design logos, posters, and other visual elements. These shapes convey a sense of balance, harmony, and order, creating a visually pleasing design that captures the audience's attention. Another way the present simple tense is used in graphic design is through the use of typography. Typography refers to the art of arranging typefaces in a visually appealing way to communicate a message effectively. Graphic designers often use simple fonts like Arial, Helvetica, or Times New Roman to create clean, easy-to-read text that complements the overall design of a project. By using the present simple tense in typography, designers can convey a sense of timelessness and clarity in their designs. Color is another important visual element in graphic design that relies on the present simple tense. Designers use a limited color palette to create a cohesive and visually engaging design that captures the audience's attention. For example, a designer might use a simple color scheme of black and white to create a minimalist poster that stands out. By using the present simple tense in color choices, designers can create a design that is timeless and visually impactful. In conclusion, the present simple tense is a crucial aspect of graphic design that is used to design various visual elements, such as shapes, typography, and color. By using the present simple tense in visual elements, graphic designers can create visually appealing designs that effectively communicate a message to the audience. By understanding how the present simple tense is used in graphic design, ESL students can improve their design skills and create compelling visual elements that captivate viewers.